Hi Felicia. I want to go ahead and show you visually the answer to your question. You wanted to know how to submit the ethics project. So I'm going to start from the very beginning, which is from the module itself. That was the session 3 module. And I clicked content. If I go into session 3 and look at the checklist, actually, one second. I need to put this on student view. Okay. So clicking on the session 3 checklist, then the ethics project is due by the end of this session. Instructions are linked from inside the Dropbox. So I need to find that, go inside the Dropbox. I can go to the Dropbox in one of two ways. I can go through session 3 because I try to put all the Dropboxes in there, or I can go through Dropbox here directly. I'll go ahead and just go directly through this. Dropbox, you want to go to ethics project, and then it says read the instructions, ethics project, and then it says paste and we'll look at that in a second. Paste the link to your ethics project wiki page into a Word doc and attach the Word doc in the Dropbox and submit. So that'll be the last step. So once you've followed these instructions and you've got everything ready, then you're going to have a link to your ethics project wiki page, because that's where you're going to be housing, that's where you're going to present your ethics project work. Eventually it will make its way onto your wiki page, through whatever process you choose, and then to submit it to the Dropbox you have to do this step. Okay, so let's go check out the instructions. So why ethics, read that. Overview of project, do these steps, respond. So the response is sort of in an essay format, and then you had your choice. You could type it directly onto your ethics wiki page, and that's fine. And then from there, you would then paste the link to your ethics wiki page into a Word document, and then you would attach that into this Dropbox by hitting Add File. That was one option. Maybe you typed your ethics project responses from here into a Word document. If so, just go to your ethics wiki page and upload that Word document onto your ethics wiki page. Then do this step. Paste the link to your ethics project wiki page into a Word document and submit. Or maybe you created a blog post which does not involve your blog buddy. You could have used your blog as your platform for doing this. It's a different blog. It's not part of the blog buddies thing. It's not part of your regular blogging. But maybe you use that forum if you wanted to. You're welcome to. Then on your ethics wiki page, you would link your blog. At the very least, just paste the link onto your ethics wiki page, that link to your blog, and then you follow this final step, which is that you take the link to your ethics wiki page, put it in a Word doc, and attach it into this Dropbox. And that's an annoying requirement of Dropboxes and Courseden. They require you to upload a file. In the good old days of Blackboard, WebCT Blackboard, you could just paste your links to things here in this comment field and submit, but now there's a requirement that you have to upload something. And that's why it's sort of confusing, like, why are we involving a Word document at this step? It's just because it's the way these Dropboxes work. They don't let you submit without an attachment. And so why not just attach put a link to your project in a Word document and then attach that? And that's why that weird requirement is there. I think it's a weird requirement. It's an extra tech step that, takes an extra 90 seconds that, you'd rather be doing something else or relaxing for 90 seconds than this added step. But anyway, that's that's how you do it. That's how you submit it. I'm not sure what you're talking about. You did mention a blog buddy. No blog buddy needs to do anything with your ethics thing. You don't need team members. I'm looking at your post. There's no team members involved in this. So just go to your wiki page and make sure that you've posted whatever your submission is, whether you did it on an outside blog, maybe you did it in an outside Word document, or maybe you pasted all the text of your response straight onto your wiki page. However it worked, ultimately needs to be on that wiki page. That's what you submit into this Dropbox. All right, thanks, and let me know if you have any more questions.